Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making this beautiful crochet rose. Start by making 43 chain. After you have 43 chain, next skip 6 chain and into the 7 make a double crochet. Next, skip 2 chain into the 3rd, make a double crochet. Next, chain 3 and a double crochet into the same stitch. Next, skip 2 chain into the 3rd, make a double crochet. Next, chain 3 and a double crochet into the same stitch. Now, repeat this pattern across the row. Next, to make the petals, make chain 1, turn your work, and make 8 double crochet in the chain space. After you made 8 double crochets, next chain 1 and 1 more single crochet into the same chain space. To make the next petal, start by making a single crochet, then chain 1 and continue make 8 double crochets. After you made 8 double crochets, next chain 1 and a single crochet into the same chain space. Repeat this pattern across the row, and after you finish, make chain 2, leave a long tail to sew later, and cut the yarn. Now we are going to shape the rose by folding it like this. Now, using a tapestry needle, sew the back and forth, like this. Try to sew each double crochet like this. And I will also sew the center part like this to make it more secure. Lastly, I will tie it off like this. And this is our finished crochet rows. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!